Hi, Katie Peck here. In this video series, we will be creating art from nature. The goal of each lesson is to spend time outdoors and transform that into a fun and quick activity. The projects will include nature creatures, spelling with nature, quiet leaf tracing, and abstract chlorophyll paintings. To begin all these projects, you will first need to go on a nature walk. It can be going around the block, in your backyard, or in any space outdoors. On your walk, try and see if you can collect all 6 parts of a plant. That includes roots, stem, leaves, seeds, flowers, and fruit. If you can't find all 6, just do your best and enjoy the fresh air. In this episode, we will be making nature creatures. Let's get started. Materials: we will need paper, glue or tape, and the parts of the plant you gathered. Step 1. Lay out your piece of paper. Step 2. Set out all the things you found on your nature walk. For the first one, I'm going to be doing a self-portrait, starting with making the outline of my face. Then I'll move on to adding some hair, adding an earring, a tan bark nose, using stones for the eyes, pea pods for the eyebrows and the mouth, a little bit of grass for the neck, and another fun earring. A few last adjustments, and voila! Step 3. If you would like, you can glue or tape down your artwork. For me, that felt like a good warm-up, so I'm going to slide off all my materials and make another example. Step 4. For this one, I'm going to make an animal. I started with the head, giving it some whiskers, ears, nose. Then I moved on to its eyes, trying to use my materials creatively. Next, I gave my animal head some shape by using some sticks. And then kind of gave it a tongue, a collar, body, added some clouds in the sky, and finished with a tail and a sun. Voila! Now we have a cat, squirrel, groundhog creature. Step 5. You can attach your previous artwork or start again. For this one, I'm going to be making a landscape. I'm starting by making rolling, grassy mountains. I encourage you to try ripping or tearing any of your materials. This will give you new texture to your images, or possibly even a new idea. And done. Remember, glue or tape down your artwork or move on to your next piece. Step 6. I'm going to make one last example. It's my favorite. A nature monster. I challenge you to see if you can find a new way to use your materials. I hope you enjoyed making your nature creatures as much as I did. Feel free to get innovative and have lots of fun.